She has made multiple payments, Your Honor, and my client did agree to make a payment arrangement with her for the balance that's due. There's a remaining balance due of $966.05. She's to pay that in monthly installments of $200.
Right from the opening, this courtroom lays out strict rules and critical rights every tenant and landlord must understand. But beneath this calm introduction, serious consequences are waiting. Miss a step, and it could cost you your home. Stay tuned as these cases unfold rapidly. Subscribe now for more intense courtroom breakdowns.
Looks like I've got everybody connected. I'm going to run a recording. I'll need you just to be quiet for me and listen to the recording. It's going to go through the rights that you have today. Listen carefully to those rights, and then we'll begin right after it ends. I do have Genesee County Legal Services here today. If you want to speak with Legal Services, let me know when your case gets called. I usually ask anyways, but if I forget to ask, just let me know and we can arrange that for you as well. So listen carefully to the recording and please be quiet so everybody can hear it, and then we'll begin right afterwards.
Pursuant to MCR 4.201, Parents K, Parents 2. The following are the advice of rights as required by Michigan Supreme Court Rule 4.201, Parents K, Parents 2. This case is a landlord-tenant dispute, and the rules governing these types of cases require that the court make you aware of the following rights. Right number 1, the right to an attorney. Both parties have a right to an attorney to represent them at this hearing. Unlike criminal cases, no court-appointed attorneys are available to assist you. If you are financially able to retain an attorney, you may do so. If you need assistance finding one, you may wish to call the State Bar of Michigan at 517-346-6300 or online at www.michbar.org. In our area, Legal Services of Eastern Michigan may be able to assist you at no cost if you qualify for their program. They can be reached at 800-322-4512. MCR 4.201, Parents K, Parents 2, Parent I. Right number 2, the right to proper venue. These types of cases may be filed in a court different than the county where the property is located. If that has happened in this case, you have a right to have the case transferred to the county where the property is located. You can ask the judge to transfer the case to that county or court, and the request will be granted. MCR 0.4201, Parents K, Parents 2, Parents small a, Parent Roman numeral 2. Right number 3, the right to a jury trial. Both parties have a right to a jury trial to decide this case. However, that right will be waived if you do not request it today in court or file a written form called in demand within 5 days of hearing this advice of rights. You will also have to pay the jury trial fee, $50, when you make the request, unless you ask for and are granted a waiver of the fees by the judge. MCR 4.201, Parents K, Parent 2, Parents small a, Parents Roman numeral 3. Right number 4, the right to seek financial assistance. For residential cases where the landlord is seeking to regain possession due to unpaid rent, there are a number of agencies in our area that may be able to assist you. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, Local Coordinated Entry Agency, Home to Stay, Housing Assessment and Resource Agency, or Federal Help for Homeless Veterans Program may be able to assist you with payment of some or all of the rent due. If you are seeking assistance, you have the right to ask the court to stay or pause your case for up to 14 days, but you must file written proof to the court that you have filed an application for assistance for processing. This proof must be filed within 5 days of you receiving this advice of rights form, or it is waived. MCR 4.201, Parents K, Parents 2.
I'm not sure if it's just my phone, but I can't hear any of this.
NDHHS, https://www.michigan.gov/NDHHS assistance programs/emergency relief or 810-760-2200. Catholic Charities, homeless prevention. Phone 810-234-4693. Let me repeat, 234-4693. One Stop Housing, also Catholic Charities. Phone 810-544-4357. OLHSA for Genesee County Veterans. Phone 248-479-6516. Genesee County Department of Veterans Services. Phone 810-257-3068. Right number 5, the right to know a judgment isn't necessary to obtain assistance. If you are seeking assistance from the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, Local Coordinated Entry Agency, or Housing Assessment and Research Agency, you do not need a judgment. The summons and complaint from the case are sufficient to receive help. MCR 4.201, Parents K, Parents 2, Parents small a, Roman numeral 5. If you have a caseworker at NDHHS, you should contact your caseworker immediately. If you do not have a caseworker at NDHHS, you should contact NDHHS at phone 810-760-2200 or go to www.michigan.gov/MIBRIDGES immediately. Right number 6, Community Dispute Resolution Office. You have a right to seek to have the Michigan and local community dispute resolution program help resolve this case. Both parties would have to agree to this process. MCR 4.201, Parent K, Parent 2, Parent small a, Parent Roman numeral 6. The Community Resolution Center is located at 315 East Court Street, Suite 200, Flint, Michigan. You may contact the office at phone 989-790-5949 or online at www.mediation-crc.org. Right number 7, the right to seek a conditional dismissal. Court Rule 5 MCR 2.602 provides an option for this case to be conditionally dismissed by the plaintiff with agreed upon terms. Again, both parties would have to agree to this, but this is an option to resolve the case. MCR 4.201, Parents K, Parents 2, Parents small a, Parents Roman numeral 7. Forms are available to effectuate such a conditional dismissal online at www.courts.michigan.gov. There may be an attorney representative from the Legal Services of Eastern Michigan available for you to meet with today if you would like. You are not under any obligation to meet with the attorney, but you may if you wish. Make sure to let the judge know when asked if you want to do this, and we will provide you with a confidential opportunity to do so. This does not mean that the attorney advising you today is agreeing to take your case. You would have to qualify for the services according to their guidelines. However, they are here to give you general advice on how to handle your case and give you advice on how to seek financial assistance. This is the end of the advice of rights as required by the Michigan Supreme Court Rule 4.201, Parents K, Parents 2, Parents small a, and Parents small b.
At this stage, the court is emphasizing options like mediation, financial assistance, and conditional dismissals. These aren't just formalities. They can completely change outcomes. But how many tenants actually take advantage of these rights in time? One missed opportunity here could mean facing eviction without a safety net. Would you act differently?
All right, let's get started. About Valley Meadows versus Pamela Jones. Oh, Mr. Haldy. Got you there. Just got to get you unmuted. Yep, he wasn't expected to be on this early.
Your Honor, I apologize for interrupting, but I cannot hear anything that you are saying.
Boy, it's all right. Boy, I'm not gonna be able to help you with that. It's running. You've got to turn on maybe your audio if it's off. It looks like you're connected though. If you're not hearing it, I don't let's see.
I see it's my microphone's not on. I apologize for interrupting.
Okay. Did you get it there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Oh, good. Okay. I was going to try to help you out some other way, but how about Mr. Haldy?
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Ms. Hal. Boy, you
Got
didn't
so
think you'd be
excited about
this.
being called first that I cut myself off.
Just like a brand new attorney.
Well, I feel like it.
Let's see. Valley Meadows versus Pamela Jones. Do I have Pamela Jones by chance? Pamela Jones. Nobody responding. It looks like I do have personal service. This is an adjourned case as well. Mr. Haldy, are you doing the proof?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Do you swear from the testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, you can proceed.
All right, the defendant Jones owes rent in the amount of $1,449. There's costs in the amount of $175 for a total of $1,624. We'd ask for a judgment of possession only with a writ to issue after March 27th, 2026.
Very good. Preliminary default judgment. And actually, I've signed that judgment for you right now. It looks like, guess that is it, though. Just that one.
That's it, Your Honor. So,
all right.
take care. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. See you.
See you next week.
Well, let's see. Redford West LLC versus Eric Lawson.
Good morning, Judge. Attorney Paul Spagnuolo, P72366 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Thank you, Mr. Spagnuolo. And do I have Eric Lawson?
Yes.
Right. Oh, there you are, right at the top there for me. Mr. Lawson, do you wish to speak with legal services?
I have an appointment to meet with an attorney at 1:30 this afternoon.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll adjourn this matter, give you a chance to do that. Is it through legal services or?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Is that for next week, Janet? Is that 24th? Mr. Spagnuolo, does that work for you next week?
I'm sorry, well, I didn't catch the day and time, Your Honor.
March 24th at same time, 9:30.
Yes, that'll be fine. And Judge, is that going to be by Zoom as well, or will that be in person?
Nope. It'll be by Zoom.
Okay, great. Thank you. Yes, I'll make it happen one way or another.
All right. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Likewise. Take care. Have a great day, Your Honor.
You too. Bye now.
Bye.
Mr. Lawson,
Yes.
with you're all set. We'll send out a new notice. We'll see you next week.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Bye now.
Bye.
How about Matt Morris Realty versus Spaced Cafe LLC?
Ready, Your Honor. Good morning.
Wait, Mr. Calvert, I got you
good morning.
a corner there for me.
Thank you.
Let's see, I do have service by attachment. Looks like it's the first time up.
Uh-huh.
And
I talked to the
I'm sorry?
They were served. I talked to Alan Hope's office. They were served, and they said proof of service was filed.
Yep, I do have it, service by attachment on Spaced Cafe. And just for my sake, the address, it might be right on the border here. Is it maybe a Flushing Township address?
Yeah, and I believe you guys moved the court. I had this matter before, and I believe the court was moved to now Flint. So it's
it's a city Flint, but we still got the same jurisdictional issues.
Oh, yep.
The venue. So is this Mount Morris? Is this still in Flushing Township someplace, or
I believe so.
Clio, or?
Yeah, it's I believe the jurisdiction is Flushing, if I'm correct.
Okay. Yeah, I just want to make sure before we get into an issue with it. That's all.
Yeah.
Do you have service by?
There's also one more case, Space Specialties. It's the same It's the same building, St. Mount Morris Realty, same plaintiff.
Oh, just a different space?
Yeah, 1 Suite 4, 1 Suite 5.
Okay. And let's see if I've got the same on that one. I got
That's Space Specialties.
Service by attachment. Yeah. I have to give the one, I know it's an LLC, but I have to give them the one adjournment. Can we adjourn it to next week? Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Unless do you get court mailing too? Doesn't look like it. No, if I just got the service by attachment. Can you come back on March 24th next week?
Why do we have to adjourn it, Your Honor? We can't get a judgment today?
No, I got adjourned for a week. It's an LLC, and if it's some personal interest in it, I've got to give them the week adjournment just because you got service by attachment.
Okay. It is what it is. Whatever. It's fine. Next week is fine. What day?
March 24th. Same time, 9:30.
That's fine. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll do that, and then I'm sure it'll be the same thing. We'll just be able to do it next week for you.
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Right. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye now.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Now, things get procedural, but don't underestimate it. Jurisdiction and service issues can delay everything. The judge is cautious, making sure every legal box is checked before moving forward. It may seem slow, but this is what protects both sides. Still, is this careful approach helping justice or just dragging things out?
Let's see. How about Eagle Point Creek versus Brenda Earhart? Eagle Point.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brianna Kingsley appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
It's Kingsley, and let's see, Brenda Earhart. Do I have Brenda Earhart? It's like no Brenda Earhart. This has actually been adjourned a couple of times, it looks like. Ms. Kingsley, are we going to proceed today on it?
Oh,
Yes,
I'm
Your Honor.
here.
Well, no, there she is.
Sorry, I was trying to get myself unmuted and
Sure.
on video,
Sure.
Your Honor.
Ms. Earhart, this has been adjourned a couple of times. It looks like, did you apply for rental assistance of some sort?
I did, but they denied me.
Okay.
But I've made multiple payments, and then we came to a payment arrangement.
She has made multiple payments, Your Honor, and my client did agree to make a payment arrangement with her for the balance that's due. There's a remaining balance due of $966.05. She's to pay that in monthly installments of $200 in addition to ongoing rent. So I would request that we enter a judgment today, and I'll indicate in paragraph number 10 further orders that the balance is to be paid in monthly installments of $200 until paid in full.
Okay. Ms. Earhart, it sounds like, is that what you agreed to?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. We'll do it that way. Why don't we just do it by hearing? It'll be easier, and then we'll just have it entered that way for you. Hey, ma'am, just keep making the payments, okay? Yeah, I'll send you a copy of that judgment.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
By the way, I like your haircut.
That's funny. You're the first one that noticed. First one noticed. I couldn't see anymore. It was time.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Bye now.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Eagle Point versus Lakeisha Hayes. Lakeisha
Brianna
Hayes?
Kingsley for the plaintiff.
Okay. Lakeisha Hayes, nobody, I guess. Nobody knows. I'm sorry, Lakeisha Hayes? No. It's been adjourned a couple times too. Miss Kingsley, do you want, if you want to proceed, I guess, why don't you raise your right hand there? Do you swear
Yes,
from,
Your Honor.
do you swear from the testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
There is a small balance due left on this account, rent to retain $23.95, costs $169 for a total of $192.95, requesting entry of a default possession only judgment with a writ to issue after 3/26/2020 or 3/27/2026.
Very good. Preliminary default judgment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And how about Vila Mobile Home Court versus George Collette?
Yes, Your Honor.
Brianna
Mr.
Kingsley,
Collette.
plaintiff.
And Mr. Collette, this has been adjourned a few times here. Did you apply for rental assistance?
I did, and actually DHS called me as I was on the phone with, on this meeting, in the beginning of the meeting, and they said that they have all my documents. It's just pending at the moment. And she said it shouldn't be much longer. It's a SRV or something like that.
SCR.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Judge, did you receive proof of his rental assistance?
I was just going to ask. I didn't get a rental. Oh wait, no, I did. I'm sorry. It was back further. I do have the rental assistance verification. Yeah.
Okay, I think he's entitled to one more week adjournment since our first hearing was on 2/24.
Sure. Sir, with that, let's just adjourn your matter for one more week. Can we go to the 24th? Ms. Kingsley, does that work?
Yeah, that works for me, Your Honor.
Okay. Adjourned to March 24th at same time, 9:30. Okay. And
Thank you, Your
Mr.
Honor, and thank you, Miss Kinsley. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
That's
you.
it for me.
Thank you, Ms. Kingsley and Mr. Collette.
Thank you.
Bye now.
Bye.
As the session wraps up, we see a mix of outcomes: default judgments, adjournments, and fragile payment agreements. Some tenants get time, others lose ground instantly. That's the reality of eviction court: fast, unforgiving, and high stakes. If you found this breakdown insightful, like, comment, and subscribe for more real courtroom stories.